Okay, guys, so this one is a three-step problem. This part B here is definitely the more tricky one. So let's use what we know about finding slope between 2 points to then help us with our y-intercept. So we know our slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So to do that with this with these 2 points, remember this is my first point, this is my second point, and then x and y. So y2, the y value of my second point is -6, minus my y1, the y value of my first point is 10, over x2, the x value of my second point is -2, minus x1 is the x value for my first point minus -4. And then we can just subtract straight across. So -6 minus 10 is -16. -2 minus -4, minus a negative becomes plus a positive. So -2 plus 4 is +2. -16 divided by 2 is -8. Okay, so our slope is -8. To find the y-intercept, I'm going to put these 2 points into a table and kind of look at the table method to help us find the y-intercept. So we have the point -4 comma 10, and we have the point -2 comma -6. Just to prove that our slope is -8 again, to go from -4 to -2 is a +2. Don't get this confused. This is +2 here because owing $4 and then only owing $2, you have more now. And then 10 to -6 is -16. And then similarly to what we ended up with here, -16 divided by 2 is -8. So if we went +2 again, -2 plus 2 is 0. Our y-intercept is whatever y is when x is 0. So if I'm going +2 and getting 0, I want to follow my same pattern and do -16 here. When I do -16 minus 16, that will actually be my y-intercept. So -16 minus 16 is a -22. So this is saying whatever line these 2 points are on, that line is going to cross through the y-axis at -22. So my y-intercept is -22. And then our equation, just like card 3, is y equals mx plus b. So we're just going to put our slope and y-intercept into the equation. So y equals -8x minus 22. Okay.